What up, boys? Today's another installment of Chef Taylor. Except today, we're going to be doing little things a bit differently. Instead, we're going to be making mouthwash. Have you ever ran out of mouthwash before? Follow these nice and easy steps. Okay, so all you're going to need is glass, and I'll list the other steps as soon as we go by. You're going to fill it up just a bit. So that's real good. Okay, first step you're going to want to do, you're going to want to add some toothpaste. This kind, you're going to want to actually need two kinds. This one is the flavor kind. I got the mint. You're going to need one for flavor. Just a bit of toothpaste in there. One for flavor. And you're going to need another one for like a carrot toothpaste. Okay, that's good. Another thing you're going to need is an old toothbrush or a stirring stick. So we're just going to stir that in there. See, the water should turn depending on what color toothpaste you use. I think that's good enough. Step 2. First of all, mouthwash, it's all got secret ingredients. This one's actually got a couple. First one, palmetto stallion wax. This is the stuff. Most toothpaste actually add a lot of this stuff. That should be good. Alright, now quickly, wait before you stir. Another thing you're going to want to add, soap. Whatever kind you got. And just enough. Yes. Okay, if you got some on the side, no worries. Make sure you get it all. About 3 squirts, if you got the squirt kind. About as much as I put in if you don't. So that is what we step 2. Okay, there's about 3 more easy steps here. Sorry, 3 more easy ingredients here. Number 1, shampoo. Probably the little bottle. You might need quite a lot. Because it's supposed to clean your teeth. Yes. Like a big drop of there. Stir it in just a little bit. Don't stir it in all the way because we are adding... Yes, body wash. You may think, oh, this stuff isn't edible. Trust me, it is. Experience. It should turn much lighter now than it was before. Okay, we got one more ingredient. I think it's the most important ingredient. Without it, it'll just ruin it. Vaseline. Man, I love Vaseline. In fact, I'm gonna add a lot. Alright. That is your mouthwash. Okay, so final step. Stir. Stir and stir. Stir, 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 stir. Now, nobody likes bubbly mouthwash. So, I'm just going to dump a bit out. See that? Alright. So you just get a little bit. And it is ready to taste. Rate, comment, subscribe, and possibly send me some money for oral care. This has been another installment of Chef Taylor.